Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer medical tests with Quest Diagnostics. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your medical tests with Quest Diagnostics, start by visiting their official website. Log into your Quest Diagnostics account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up option to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the My Tests section on the homepage. Here, you will find a list of all your medical tests and their results. Select the specific test you wish to transfer by clicking on it. After selecting the test, look for an option that says Transfer Test or Share Results. Click on that option to initiate the transfer process. You may need to enter the email address or patient ID of the recipient. Ensure you review any required permissions or consent before proceeding. Once all information is entered correctly, click on the Submit or Send button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your transfer request has been submitted. Check your email for a follow-up confirmation regarding the transfer. If necessary, follow any additional instructions provided in that email. Once the recipient accepts the transfer, they will have access to your test results. Keep track of the status of your transfer through your account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, visit the support section on the Quest Diagnostics website for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.